Your path to enjoying a healthier lifestyle is getting easier each day with the creation of so many new wearable devices that make monitoring your health as easy as the click of a button. Because these devices use Bluetooth technology, you can monitor your activity from the palm of your hand. But all these devices come with their own app. Using your wearable device means opening and closing many different applications. This is where WeFit comes in. WeFit allows you to use one app for any wearable device you use, such as a scale device, activity wristband, blood pressure monitoring, and more. Let's get started. Here's how it works. Now that you've installed the app, let's open it up and get on to the first page, which is your health dashboard. The health dashboard provides summary reports of previous data captured and shows them in the form of charts. Also, it provides a shortcut to the devices you use and latest messages generated for you based on analysis of the data. For instance, you can easily connect to your scale by clicking on the scale icon. Then, step onto your scale device, and via Bluetooth technology, the data appears on your device and will automatically be saved to reports using cloud-based technology. If you have any data you forgot to add previously, you can do so by clicking just below. When you're finished with this device, you can click on the menu on the top left. Here, you can go directly back to the health dashboard. Under My Devices, you can switch between your different devices. Further down, you will find My Data. Here, you can check your food tracker and your reports. Food Tracker allows you to easily track the calories you consume during the day, and based on your profile, it calculates the remaining calories needed for the day. To do this, click on Add Meal. Then, set the correct date and time. Next, whether this is breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. Then, WeFit allows you to search for the food you've consumed, as well as the quantity. The WeFit system will then find the correct calorie information. When you're finished, hit Save, and this will be added to reports. Now, if you click on the menu again and go down to My Data and then Reports, this is where WeFit combines the data you have collected from your devices as well as your food tracker over time. This enables WeFit to deliver important metrics associated with your health and activity. This data is plotted along a graph, allowing you to watch your progression over time. And to get a better look, you can break the data down into years, months, weeks, or days to better analyze your progress. Now that you know how WeFit works, you can see that the WeFit solution is a cloud-based mobile platform that connects to multiple wearable devices in a single app with Bluetooth technology. Further, you can share data from wearables that you have captured by using other apps and see them integrated under the WeFit app, allowing you to have mobile health tracking and monitoring with any wearable device all in one app on your mobile device, so you can spend more time getting active and healthy wherever you are. Visit kaomobility.com/WeFit to learn more about the WeFit solution.